So now we're on to Bank of the Year, and this award was sponsored by CPI, and I'd like to call up Andres Martin to give this award away. Andres, please come join us to give the Bank of the Year award away.
And on the shortlist we have Bank Bäckerö, Berlin Hip, Deutsche Hypothekenbank, Helava, and PBB Deutsche Pfandbriefbank. 5 nominees.
So Andres, welcome. Thank you for sponsoring this award and this event and helping us hand out this award. And tell us who the winner is.
Thank you. Good evening, and the category's winner is PBB Deutsche Pfandbriefbank.
Yeah, what shall I say? Thank you very much. Thank you. I mean, after 20 years being in Warsaw, being active in Poland, it's a great pleasure. Thank you to all our clients. Thank you to all our club deal partners, all the other banks.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Congratulations.
Congratulations. Come join us for a photo. Yep.